In the Digital Animation Program at EVIT, you'll combine your imagination with technology to create animations and visual effects that capture attention and tell stories.
What has sparked my joy for animation and drawing is being able to just take something that I feel so interested from my mind and see it actually be on a screen.
From 2D and 3D image capture, modeling and texturing, to lighting, rendering, and full animation, you'll gain the skills to bring characters and environments to life.
EVIT has changed my life because this program helps me really express myself through animations and drawings and get into the animation industry.
Whether your interest is in gaming, film, or media design, this program prepares you for a future in the world of digital animation. Your future, your way at EVIT. Enroll today at evit.edu.